Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And
Well,
welcome.
hey family, happy Monday. It's a beautiful Monday, right? We made it through the weekend, which was really fast. I don't know about anybody else, but I had a really hard time sleeping last night. I don't know if it's because of the time change or like what's going on, but I went to bed at my regular peak hours and when I woke up it was like 2:22. 222. And there is some significance in 222. Go look it up. There's some significance in the number 2. And I don't too much deal with like numbers and things like that, but some things are applicable when it comes to when it comes to scriptures and things like that. Some things you just can't ignore. So when I woke up it was like 222, and I stayed woke for like maybe an hour. And I'm like, okay, well, I can't, and literally was not sleepy at all, period. I'm a little talkative this morning, but anyway, stopping by real quick. And all the new subscribers, I wanted to thank you for joining us. And I do hope that you see something here on the channel that inspires you to not only keep creating, but tap in, like really tap into your creative intelligence and producing things that even blow you away, because we all have it in us. We all have it in us. It's just a matter of the desire and if we want to or not, right? But anyway, it's a beautiful day and be creative. We'll talk.